Psalm chapter 89, verse 22. The enemy shall not outwit him, nor the son of wickedness afflict him. 23. I will beat down his foe before his face, and block those who hate him. 24. But my faithfulness and mercy shall be with him, and in my name his word shall be exalted. 25. Also I will set his hand over the sea, and his right hand over the river. 26. He shall cry to me, You are my Father, my God, and the rock of my salvation. 27. Also, I will make him my firstborn, the highest of the kings of the earth. 28. My mercy I will keep for him forever, and my covenant shall stand firm with him. 29. His seed also I will make to endure forever, in his throne as days of heaven. 30. If his son forsake my law, and do not walk in my judgments. 31. If they break my statute, and do not keep my commandments. 32. Then I will punish their transgressions with the rod, and their iniquity and with strife. 33. Nevertheless, my loving kindness I will not utterly take from him, nor allow my faithfulness to fail. 34. My covenant I will not break, nor utter the word that has gone out of my lips. 35. Once I have sworn my holiness, I will not lie to David. 36. His seal shall endure forever, and his throne as the sun before him. 37. It shall be established forever like the moon, even like the faithful witness in the sky. 38. But you have cast off and abhorred, you have been furious with your anointed. 39. You have renounced the covenant of your servant, you have profaned his crown by casting it to the ground. 40. You have broken down all his areas, you have brought his strongholds to ruin. Amen.